Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest beauty products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in the world of nail care, the OPI Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum. If you've been struggling with weak, brittle nails or longing for stronger, healthier-looking nails, you're in the right place. Stick around as we uncover why this serum is hailed as the best nail strengthener and growth solution available. First things first, let's talk about what sets this serum apart from the rest. Formulated with patented multiplex technology, this serum penetrates deep into the nail surface, working from within to build new bonds and repair up to 99% of nail keratin. Yes, you heard that right, 99% nail keratin repair. That's not all. Users have reported achieving nails that are 4 times stronger in just 6 days when used as directed. Talk about impressive results. But what really makes this serum stand out is its vegan formula, making it a guilt-free choice for conscious consumers. Plus, it's nine-free, meaning it's free from harmful ingredients like formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP. So not only are you getting stronger, healthier nails, but you're also doing it without compromising on your values. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this serum into your nail care routine. It's simple. Whether you prefer to do your nails at home or leave it to the professionals at the salon, the OPI Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum fits seamlessly into any routine. Apply it alone or under your favorite OPI nail products for optimal results. And with its quick drying formula, you can say goodbye to waiting around for your nails to dry. It's a win-win. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with weak, brittle nails and ready to experience the confidence that comes with strong, healthy nails, look no further than the OPI Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum. With its revolutionary formula and impressive results, it's no wonder why it's considered the best nail strengthener and growth solution on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest beauty must-haves. Until next time, stay fabulous.